Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my minifig club unboxing for the month of September. There's a bunch of stuff crammed in here, so let me dump it all out, and that's everything. Okay, so every month you get a sticker to put on your card here, so that when you fill it up you get a special prize. You also get a bigger sticker that looks just like that. You get a bookmark, a magnet, and then there's a postcard, and then there's also like a challenge every month that you could tag them on their social media. And then here are the 3 bags inside. So the gold bag has your piece of the month, so it's supposed to be like a theme, and it's just a cool brick with a brick design on it. Sometimes it matches like the bookmarks and stuff like that. And then the yellow bag has all the accessories. There's a witch's hat, some binoculars, a purple turban, a wrench, silver hat, a yellow coffee mug, some pieces to make swords, walkie-talkie, and a broom. So those are always pretty random. Sometimes over time you get duplicates of them. And then our favorite bag is all the parts to make the people. So you're going to have enough to make 3 full minifigures and then a couple pieces left. So this one has, oh, I'm seeing the minifigure in my mind. Oh, I can't think of his name. He's from one of the minifigure series bags from a while back, I believe. So it has like the blue and the silver on the pants. Also have solid orange pants, which I feel like we get a lot. Then there's some solid like olive green, and then some short brown legs for the chest pieces. Green with some gold detailing. This maroon one. And player 1. I keep dropping that head. Then we have 3 faces. This one I keep dropping. He has, let me see if it gets to focus, since there's so much of the background. He has a big smile and like a mustache and a goatee. Then he has a more serious face on the back. This one is really cool. Is it Garmadon? That might be Garmadon, I don't know. But he's really cool looking. And then the last one, he's a, oh, is that the Flying Dutchman? It kind of looks like the Flying Dutchman from SpongeBob, which would be super cool. So yeah, a lot of the pieces are my favorite part because they're often unique, and I've gotten some like vintage pieces in there too, so I like this subscription. I will have it for another almost year because I did renew, but after that I'm not sure. Maybe I'll try out a different subscription, but these are all official Lego pieces, and I really like the Minifig Club. So if you'd want to see what I get every month, please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel for more Lego videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.